Want to create a drop-down list in Excel that pulls from two separate tables and even tells you where the selected item is from? Let me show you how. I've got two tables, one for domestic venues, one for international venues. The two venues are combined by VSTACK function. For example, if I select Sky Hall, it will return the city that is New York. And if I selected a venue from the second table, for example, Pacific Pavilion, it gives the city, it is Tokyo. First, let's delete it so that we can do it from scratch. To combine venues from Table 1 and Table 2, we use the VSTACK function. The array will be the venue name. Now, we have the complete list. Next, let's do the drop-down selection. To do this, we can use the data validation tool. Select the list and go to the data validation. Then, we will use the list option and we can select the range of the list. We have now the drop-down list pulled from both tables. Next, let's use two XLOOKUP functions. Lookup value will be the value in the drop-down list. The lookup array will be the venue name. And the return array will be the city name. In the same manner, let's enter the second XLOOKUP function, and we use the second table this time. The lookup value will be the same. Here you have it. We can instantly get the location for any venue we select. We can test the output from both tables. This dynamic drop-down method is perfect for event planning, vendor management, or any setup where your data lives in multiple tables. This is tip number 19 from our 500+ Excel tips and tricks playlist on the channel. If the content is helpful, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.